231 days. That's how long it's been since Decatur police shot and killed Steve Perkins during a car repossession.
Now, since then, countless protests, speakers stepping up to the mic at council meetings, and a murder charge brought against one officer. Former officer Bailey Marquette is set for trial in October, but a push for a permanent gag order is front and center in the Morgan County Courthouse right now.
A temporary gag order has been in place since March 22nd. However, a political website leaked body camera footage from the shooting just 5 days later. WAAY 31 reporter Paige Meyer joins us live now from the Morgan County Courthouse. Paige, any movement at this point this afternoon?
Dana Marie, the gag order hearing started less than an hour ago, nearly 2 hours after it was originally supposed to begin. Now, this order was delayed due to scheduling conflicts with the judge. Now, Perkins supporters here tell me they're frustrated that this highly anticipated hearing was delayed even just a bit longer. Now, Michael Swafford with the Morgan County Sheriff's Office tell me everyone who got subpoenaed is here. So notable people who were subpoenaed are members of Aaliyah, Bailey Marquette, Chief Pinion, Councilmember Pepper, and a family member of Marquette. Now, Michael Swafford with the Morgan County Sheriff's Office says if the judge talks to everyone, it will take a very long time. He's telling me we may not even get an answer today. Now, longtime Perkins movement supporter Terrence Atkins says he hopes the judge decided to grant the permanent gag order. He hopes this will prevent any information that will be used in Marquette's trial in November to end up in the wrong hands.
I feel like the gag order will be something that keeps us at peace, that we won't have any more leaks from the department or city leadership.
We are still monitoring this hearing and will continue updating you as we hear from reporter Maddie McCaffrey inside the courtroom. Now, she tells us she actually had to turn her phone completely off during the hearing, so we will be providing you updates after everything concludes. Now, make sure to stick with WAAY 31 News because this hearing, like I said earlier, may take just a few hours. But for now, reporting live in Decatur with coverage you can count on. Paige Meyer, WAAY 31 News.
Thanks, Paige. So what's next in this case? Well, Marquette remains out on bond while the case moves forward. His jury trial is set for October 21st. Between now and then, both Marquette's defense attorneys and the Morgan County District Attorney's Office will submit items for discovery. This means entering in any evidence that will be shown during the trial, which could include that body camera footage. Appeals hearings for Marquette and the three other officers who were either fired or suspended following the shooting were delayed back in early February. They have until July 24th to let the Decatur Personnel Board know if they want to move forward with those hearings. Meanwhile, the Perkins family filed a wrongful death lawsuit in federal court. It names the city of Decatur, the police department, and the individual officers as defendants. We've been, of course, covering every twist and turn of this since the shooting happened in the early morning hours of September 29th.
You can find our full library of Shattered in 6 Seconds coverage on both WAAY TV at WAAYTV.com and on our WAAY TV News app that's online on your televisions. It includes interviews with the Perkins family, video of protests, and the response from the city and police department.